Welcome to Things We Think.
Why do I say bless you when someone sneezes? First of all, growing up, it was just the right thing to do. It's what you were taught by your parents, by your elders.
I think they said it's because your heart stops for a short bit when you sneeze.
I don't know, they let out their spirits in the atmosphere, so.
I think I heard that it goes all the way back to when there was the plague, and when you sneezed, people were like, yeah, that one, going to die soon.
The real reason why you have to say bless you, you don't want to lose your soul. What? Alright?
So bless you. You could have died, but you didn't. So blessings upon blessings. Right?
Let's get some blessings from your spirit.
I don't know. That's how we were taught.
That's how I was taught. I saw this on Simpsons.
What?
I saw this on Simpsons.
So
and Bart,
makes no sense.
he sneezed. He did not say bless you, and his soul left him.
So when someone...
So anytime somebody sneezes and nobody says bless you, your soul leaving, yeah? So make sure to say bless you. If it's in Simpsons or South Park, it is right.
So you used to say it to wish them blessings so that maybe they would not die. So that's what I remember. And then it just kind of stayed through history as being a thing.
That's true. Yeah, that's the truth. It's true, Google it. The only reason we say bless you is because we grew up hearing people. But when someone farts, you say bless you.
Where you gonna say that? Where you gonna say
Air's leaving.
you're cat? You're gross.
Air's leaving. Why are we blessing?
Okay.
For just when the air comes out this way.
Because maybe the one that's come out that way is a smelly kind of gas.
We just say it because we grew up saying it. That's
It's methane
What
coming
do you
out of
say
here.
when that
It's methane
happens?
coming out this way, and it's oxygen or carbon dioxide coming out this way.
Fair enough. Do you say what when that one happens?
You're gross.